Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aditi and Nisha. Many of you must be knowing me, but what's wrong in introducing myself? So if you don't know me in person, then introduce yourself in the comment section and I will love to talk to you. And today I'm going to make a 8-layered cake. It's my birthday, so that's what I'm doing for my birthday. So let's get started. So this is my cake idea. It is going to be 8-layered as I said. So in this the first layer will be pink, which is going to be the vanilla cake. Then it will be chocolate and it will be alternatively in the same way, pink, chocolate, pink, chocolate. And I'm going to make this favorite symbol of mine on this cake. And I'm going to do the icing in shades. So it will be like dark pink, pink, baby pink and white. So let's get started. I'm using my basic recipe. I'm going to start with the chocolate cake. So here I have the condensed milk. That's half cup condensed milk. I had this idea of making this vlog from a very long time, but I was not doing this because actually I had many opportunities to do this, but I didn't care. But this time I said myself, girl, you are 16, you can do it, so just do it. And here I am doing it. You can find this chocolate cake recipe in my channel. I will try to link it. Here goes half cup of condensed milk. Then this is 1/4 cup of caster sugar, which is basically powdered sugar. I'm going to add one more of this 1/4. So here we have half cup of condensed milk and half cup of caster sugar. I'm going to mix this. Okay, this mixture is ready. Now I am going to add half a cup of oil. So here we go with the oil. Now mixing this won't do anything because the densities are so different. The next thing I am going to add is one cup of flour. Then I will add more 1/4. I got my sieve. I have this 1 and 1/4 cup of flour ready. Now I am going to take the baking soda and baking powder. So it's 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to sieve the flour. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to beat this for a while till it mixes roughly. It doesn't need to mix totally. I have to add milk and other things also. Okay, now I'm going to add half a cup of milk. I will add this gradually. I'm adding half of it, like 1/4 cup at this time. I'm also adding the vanilla essence now. here we go with the half teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm adding the cocoa powder now. I'm adding a twist to this recipe at this moment. In my last video, I had said that I'm just adding cocoa powder for the chocolate flavoring, but I am going to add coffee powder too, instant coffee powder in this recipe of mine. And here we go with the half cup of cocoa powder. I'm just going to sieve it to make sure there is no lump. So here we are done with the cocoa powder, and now I'm going to add the coffee. It's going to be 1 tablespoon of coffee. This will just make the cake more dark, and who doesn't like dark cake? So yeah, I'm going to beat this and also add the milk in between. I think I should just preheat my oven right now. Okay, I am now going to preheat my oven. So it is going to be both at 180 degrees, which is between 3 and 4. Yeah, so that's it. Continuing with the batter, I'm beating it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure it is forming the 8, which is the test if the battery is perfect or not. Yeah, so it's forming the 8. It's perfect. Now I'm going to grease my pan. This is my pan for the day, and it's not actually a baking pan for baking the cake, but I don't have any other circular mold, so I'm using this. And I need oil. So we go with the oil. Just spread it by moving the pan, even on the walls. You can see I'm just applying on the walls. And then I will pour the rest. Then I will dust it with some maida. This is the flour. And many of you might be just using the oil for greasing the pan, but just to make you aware, the flour is much better. Using the oil with the flour is much better than using just the oil. My mom used to do only the oil, and most of the times it would come out, but many times it won't. So I found out that flour does a very good job in doing this. Okay, so I have just dusted my pan, and I will pour my batter off in this. I will just check this out if this batter is perfectly sweet and all. Okay, the batter is perfect. It's quite dark, which is going to be good. So I'm going to pour this batter, and I want you to see how satisfying it looks. So I've poured in my batter and I'm just going to give it a quick dab so that all the air bubbles come out. So I guess that is no air bubble. So I'm going to flatten, that is smoothen the top surface. So yeah, it's done. Now I'm going to place it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. I will just see according to the temperature and baking of the cake. So my oven is preheated. Now I'm going to place my cake in it. Okay, so I will cook it for like 30 minutes or so. I'm going to make the same cake now, so I'm not going to talk about it now. I'm going to talk about something else. Most of you must be knowing that I'm a party freak and I am normally very excited for my birthday. Even this time I had prepared many plans for my birthday, and as you know, the lockdown is on. Nothing can happen. So you can see I'm making a cake for myself, and how lame is that? Moving from party, yesterday night, that is at midnight, my parents gave me a surprise. Okay, so it was like I came out of the washroom and my parents were sitting in my room. I was surprised what are they doing in my room, and I just asked what the hell is going on over here. And then I saw a covered plate over the teapot in my room. So I knew what is going to happen next. She was doing something. I had seen her in the afternoon, and she had made this video. I'm going to add a small clip of the video. It is just how special I am for them, and how important I am for them. Knowing that made me really happy. And at the same moment, my friends too called, and that is when we opened the dish. That was the plate on my teapot, and it was. So my second cake batter is also ready. It's only been like 15 minutes, so the next cake is not ready. I'm just going to wait for it to bake now. After that, I will put this cake in. Okay, so when my cake is getting baked, I thought I should just make my cream. So here I'm using this vegan cream. It's totally frozen right now. I'm just doing the cream, so I thought I would better. I was just doing the cream. I will just say my story. I will complete it. So I was sitting in front of the plate, and my sister opened it. And it was just Britannia cake arranged in a very funny way, and I will share a photo of it. And it was just like people do in hostel, okay, but I am not in hostel right now. I guess my cake is baked. As I said, I had taken out the cake earlier, so it has not turned out so good, but I can put it in the middle here, so it will be okay. I will just now let it cool down for a while, and I will coat my baking pan again and put this batter in. Okay, now I am putting my second cake in. The oven is preheated. And here we go. So according to my last cake, I found out that it has to go for like 25 minutes on both and on for 15 minutes on bottom. So that's it. Okay, so moving ahead with the pink cake, I have cleaned all my instruments, and the chocolate chocolate cake is in. So I will just make it and you enjoy the time lapse. So my last batter is also ready. Now I will wait for the third cake to get baked completely. Then I will put in this batter and then I will start the decoration. Okay, so the second cake has turned out very good. I'm now just going to remove the dome surface. I told this cake had not turned out so good, but the surface is quite flat, so I'm going to use it as it is. I will cut it into half now. So the third cake is also ready. I'll just flip over the cake now. Okay, so I have cleaned out my surface and I found out that the pink cake is taking more time than usual. So it will take more 2-3 minutes, and after that I will start the icing from the base, and that's it. Okay, I'm going to start my icing now. I will start with the chocolate cake. I'm just picking up a random chocolate cake from here. Till now only 3 of my cake are ready and the 4th one is cooling off right now. So before I put the cake, I'm just going to pipe a bit of cream so that it stays firm on its place. And here we go. Then I'm going to put some sugar syrup over it so that it stays moist. So let me continue with my story. I forgot about it. So it was like at that moment my friends were with me on video call, and everyone saw that hostel style cake, which was funny and cute. And then I had some fun with my family. We watched a video that my sister had made. I will add a bit of it in the end of the video, end of this vlog video. And after that I had got many wishes from my friends. I was happy seeing these wishes, and I had put everything on my WhatsApp status, and that took me till 2 o'clock to do that, and I was very happy. I had to wake up at 9 o'clock and start this video. I woke up at 9, but the current was not there. So I started this video at 3 o'clock instead of 9 o'clock, and it's now 8 p.m. So I think this is done. It's the first layer. Then I'm going to add a pink layer. This doesn't look so vibrant, but it's good. So here we go. Then I will put some more. I'm quite tired, so I thought I'll just come to my room and sit under the fan and do this, continue this. only one more layer left, and let's do it. So this is the thing that I wanted to show you guys. It's a A, which obviously stands for Aditi. It is made by one of my besties. She made it and gave it to me today, and it stands beautifully beside my cake. I have another bestie too. She couldn't come to me today, so she has written a poem for me and sent it to me. I will read it out for you. So these are her words. ये वर्ड्स उसके लिए जो मेरे लाइफ में रखती है स्पेशल जगह, बाकी उसको पता है कितनी स्पेशल है वो। देखा नहीं कोई तेरे जैसा, देखा नहीं कभी तेरे जैसा, अब तो बातें भी होती हैं सिर्फ चैट में, पर सोने नहीं दिया तेरे बर्थडे के ख्वाबों ने, हो गए टेंशन पूरे हाई है, अब क्या मैं करूं, अब क्या मैं करूं, वैसे छोड़ ये सब और थोड़ी तारीफ सुन, लड़की तू कमाल है, लड़की तू धमाल है, टिप से लेकर टो तक पूरी की पूरी मिसाइल है, अलग तेरे चाल है, अलग तेरे अंदाज है, तेरे मेरे मिलने का कोई इत्तेफाक है, आजकल बातें होती कम, पर प्यार ना होगा कम, पर प्यार ना होने देंगे कम, जितना भी कर ले प्रॉब्लम ढूंढेंगे सॉल्यूशन हरदम, 3 साल बाद लगे जैसे पहली मुलाकात है, दिल में छुपा के रखना तू तेरे मेरे राज है, हर बार गलती जो मेरी थी तूने दिया साथ भी, रोए तेरे साथ ही और हंसे भी तेरे साथ ही, सुन तू सुनाबिड़ा की लड़की है, नेचर से घिरी है तू, पर वी जोन में रहने के अलावा मेरे दिल में भी रहती है तू, एक्चुअली ना सब मेरे यार है, पर तू ना कुछ खास है, बिल्कुल ही परफेक्ट है तू, ना तुझ में कमी है कुछ, आजकल बातें होती कम, पर बॉन्डिंग को ना होने देंगे कम, जितने भी कर लो सितम ना छोड़ेंगे तुमको हरदम, आगे का पता नहीं, बट ये वर्ड्स प्योरली मेरे दिल से है निकले हुए वर्ड्स, पोएम तो नहीं कह सकते, बट गाना जरूर लिख दिया है मैंने, होप यू लाइक इट, हैप्पीएस्ट बर्थडे टू यू गर्ल. So this was the beautiful poem that my bestie has written for me, and I love it. I'm going to print this out and stick it in my diary, and this is going to be the best. You cannot say that I had the best day ever, that is the best birthday ever, but this is something good. I didn't expect that it would go so good. Thank you.
I got this feeling inside my bones.